Tax return. This is very helpful topic for everyone. In this video, we're going to cover what is tax return, how it's calculated, and how to apply for the tax return. I am going to start from the basic information. This is for an example. If one person got net salary as 800 euros means he need to pay pension 15%, it's directly contribute to the state, and pension 5%, it's saved under in your pension account, and income tax 10%. So totally pension is 20%, income tax is around 5 to 10%. So totally 25% you contribute to the government from your gross salary. Rather than that, you need to pay 16.5% as a health insurance. This is an overview of a person who is paying pension, income tax and health insurance. From which money do you get tax return? Yes, this is mandatory. 15% and 5% health insurance, that are all considered as a social contribution. That are all not tax. They are permanent payments to the government. Tax refund is calculated from your income tax only. Everyone pays maximum 10% of the income tax from your gross salary. So the tax return is calculated from your income tax only. This is a full year summary of the person who are getting 800 euros net salary per month. From this chart, the person at least pay the minimum income tax for year 732 euros. From this amount only, they calculate your tax refund amount. Now we going to compare between the ages. If the person's between 18 to 25, he get 100% tax return as 732. If the person is between 25 to 30, means he get at least 50%. Above 30 plus, he get maximum 10%. So the final understanding is, if you are under 30, you can get big refund. If you are above 30, you get small adjustment refund. I hope now you understand better how the tax refund is calculated. Now we go into the video. The tax refund, how to apply it. First, you need to go to your browser and just type e-Citizen. Then open your first link. I am just going to open. So this is e-Građani website. From that website, I am going to log in my tax web page. So tax web page is e-Porezna. Here it is e-Porezna. So for that, I just add a shortcut in my profile. So for that, you need to go find service and then click show all. It shows all the shortcut web pages and you have to find e-Porezna. That's it. Just click and it will redirect you to the tax web page. This is a tax web page. So you need to log in and this is a home page. Okay, I am going to translate into English, better to understand it. Okay, so right now we going to see the tax refund. Here it is. They give the separate column for the tax return, and this is the application name of the tax return. Okay, now we going to create or submit one form. If you click submit form, means they have a couple of forms. We need to select the tax return form, that is ZPP DOH. I am going to translate into English. and request for recognition of the rights to tax relief in the annual calculation, that means tax refund. After you click this option, they have two options: fill out the form or view saved forms. I am going to click fill out the form. It's create the new form, and this is the form. So totally we have 4 pages. So I am going to translate into English. First topic is header. So in the header, the first option is year. You need to select the year. I am going to select 2025. Then which regional or which branch office you are belongs to. So you need to give which address you are. So this is the second option, competence office. So that's it. And the next option is data of the taxpayer and information about the applicant. Both are same, and it shows your OAB, your name, everything. So if you have any update means you just click, and I am going to update my phone number. Please verify all your information, and the tax website don't have my phone number. I am going to update my phone number. Okay, and everything perfect. That's it. Right now I finished the header. I am going to click data 1, the second page. So I am going to translate it. Let's see what are the options they have. If I translate it, recognition of the rights, special procedure. Okay, so if you are resides in city of Ukur means you need to click yes, you are living in Ukur, because for the Ukur they give some special refunds, so that only it's coming in that category. So I am not living in Ukur. If you are living in Ukur, you need to add your residential certificate. So this is the complete for Ukur only. Then second, during this year, last year, if you have own disabilities or body damage, something you claim for something means you need to submit the certificate. Then third, if you have family members, your children's, someone here means you need to add their permits and everything. Then the fourth one, mandatory health insurance. The employer pay 16.5% regular health insurance, so that is not enter here. If you pay additional, that mandatory health insurance means you need to enter here. I am not pay anything, I just pay basic health insurance. I not pay the additional health insurance, I just leave it. That's it. So I don't change anything in data 1, that means second page. So I am going to go for the third page. Then I translate into English. Let's see. I don't change anything in the page 2. This is page 3. And page 3 contain deceased. That means if I am applying for the person's, somebody is died means, so I can apply like a family member. So this is the column for the local citizen, so we don't need to use that one. So I am going to jump on to the last page, that is data 3. This is the last page. So I am going to translate into English. Let's see what are the options they have. Okay, okay, in this page they have data on foreign income and a tax paid abroad. If you are earning some foreign income or tax paid in abroad means you need to add here. So in my case I don't have any foreign incomes and I don't pay any taxes to any other government. That's it. And next one, if you have any other documents, means special documents for taxes or something, they have lot of certificates. In my case, I am going to upload only one certificate, that is certificate of residence and stay. So this is the column I can able to upload. Rather than that, I don't use anything. So if you have in this criteria, you need to upload it. Then I'm going to scroll down. This is really an important one, refund account. So they ask which account you need a tax refund. If you click, means they have two accounts, domestic account or international account. So I need my money in Croatian account only, so I select domestic account. So you need to give your bank account number. So after you give your bank account number, that's it. This page is finished. So totally we have 4 pages. So we see all the 4 pages. So right now I back into the first page. I just update in the first page my phone number only. Second page I don't do anything. Third page I don't do anything. And fourth page I just give my bank account. And right now I am going to save this application. So I just going to give some name. Maybe future I need to upload my residential certificate, so that I am going to save this application form. Yes, if you click, means it's automatically saved. So you can open it anytime. After you get your certificate, you can open it on any time, then apply for it. Okay, right now my application is saved, so I am going to open. So my application not submitted, it's a just saved application. So I am going to click save application. And right now I have 2 applications are saved. So right now I just save the first one. I am going to click the first one, 2025-1. That is the application we are saved right now. And I am going to click that blue color logo, and it will redirect you, it will back to you the same page. So you can edit anytime you want. Before submit your application, you can edit anytime you want. Okay, so in future I am going to update my residential certificate. So before I am going to submit, I am going to check my form, is everything correct or not. Okay, so right now I am going to click check. So we see all the documents, new, open, save and everything. So right now I check, it says something in Croatian language. So I am going to translate it. Let's see. Before submit, you need to check everything. Yes, the form data is correct. So we see all the categories: check, export, save, open, new, everything. So right now I am going to send, that means submit the application. Just click OK. Yeah, we submitted successfully. This is the submitted form. So you can download it as a PDF, and they give you the reference number. You can track your submitted form anytime you want. So if you are export, means it will ask you. So I am going to give my document as PDF. So it's saved in my laptop. That's it. For the future, I can know about my status. Okay, so that only I just export my submitted form. Here, after you submit your form, you can upload the certificates by clicking the contribution. You see, it's still in process. So I'm going to translate it. After you submit, still you can upload your all the documents. So still I can upload my residential certificate. So by choosing the file and upload it, so you can see everything from your home page. If you go to your home page, you can see your status, review of a submitted form. If you click here means, then it shows your submitted form. You need to select this one, then you need to select which year you need to see about the status. I am going to select the Godina, that means here we are submitted the form for 2025 only, so I am going to select 2025, and I have two forms. So before I submit one form and after I submit one form. So you can submit so many forms. They take the new version only, new form only. You see, the form is no longer valid. A newer form has been received. So if you submit new form means, then they invalid your old form. So right now I currently submitted the form, it's in the process. So I need to upload my documents. Right now I am going to click 2024. I already submitted. You see, from 2024 January to December I already submitted, and it enter into the system. That's it. So this is my last year 2025. I do for 2024. Right now we are in 2026. I going to do for 2025 from January to December. This is the process for submitting your tax return form in online. You can go in person to the tax department and you can submit your form in person also, but I usually submit my form in online. We almost finish tax refund topic, but I want to say some more tips. Usually mistake 1, don't enter your pension contribution. It's not considered as a tax. If you enter some value, your application may get rejected. Mistake 2, don't enter any value in health insurance. If you pay the additional insurance means, then you need to enter the value, or else just leave it same as it is, like 0 euros. And mistake 3, that is changing values in personal allowance. Don't change anything in personal allowance because the tax card is maintained by your employer. If you have children or spouse, then you go change your value and upload all the valid documents and everything. If you made it wrong, the government reduce the refund or it may delay. And this is pro tips. You can calculate your refund before the government send you by following this menu. I know this video is very long, but this is really a mandatory video, so it's give more information about tax return. That's it.